fucking raining again. Fuck. This will ruin the fun. This will ruin the fucking fun. Ay nako. Naman.
Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, wag mong
Thank you. Medyo meron pa akong problema sa lalamunan ko. Hey yo! What's up everyone? It's your boy Rex again and welcome again for another vlog. It's another wait a minute. It's another work day. Ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Timog to do some work errands. Mas mabilis talaga pag motor. So, I will be using my NK400 again. Saka nagsawa na ako sa kotse. Don't get me wrong, I'm a car guy. And also, a motorcycle nut. It's just that mas masaya talaga magmotor kaysa kotse. Kaya lang, kalaban ko, ulan. And that will ruin the fun. Basahin daan.
One eternity later.
Big drop na some here. Basa ako. Fuck ako. Fuck. Yeah. Shoots. See? It's fucking raining. Sobrang init ngayon, sobrang ulan. Naman. Fuck. Fuck. Basa na ako. Basa na medyas ko. So, it's a rainy vlog right here. My fucking visor started to let me through. So choosing your motorcycle or your car is not a good thing, especially in situations like this where traffic jam occurs and also rain. I'm pissed right now kasi umalis ako ng bahay 5 minutes ago with a good weather, pero apparently ayaw sa akin ng tadhana. Fuck, right? I'm still working, so I had to do my job, and this will ruin my mic kasi my GoPro will be sealed all over except the mic cord, and that will ruin my mic. Syempre walang kwenta yung vlog pag walang drama. Yan talaga, no? Hirap eh. You miss riding a bike? Watch this. Traffic. Tumatalsik. Basa na medyas ko. Pangina. Sorry, medyo nagko-concentrate rin kasi ako sa traffic. Kaya ito talaga yung isa sa mga hirap mag-motovlog kasi you have to concentrate at the same time. Your eyes on the road. Siyempre making content while doing that. Wala eh. Ginusto ko to eh. Basang basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan, walang joke lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung lyrics. Gusto ko isang marurot na isang diretso para matuyo ako. Grabe, basa yung sapatos ko, may mga putik pa. Let's do it. Ops, tama na. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing and di ako kasya. Kaya pwede ba? Yun. Oops. Yeah. Up, yeah. Hopya! Hopya! Mani popcorn! And updates about my channel. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ba talaga bala ko dito sa motovlogging ko. Kasi I'm not copying anyone else. I'm just doing what I think I can do. Pero at least kaya lang hindi ako kasya. Wait lang. Yeah. I'm not copying anyone else. I'm just doing the stuff that I think I can share with you guys. And yun lang. Hindi ko talaga na-expect na lalaki to kasi I'm just sharing my experiences on a bike on Manila. Currently here at Quezon City. Still ngayon naman umiinit. Hirap talaga. Ay nako. Yan, medyo natutuyo na ako. Ang sarap sa feeling.
A few moments later.
We just finished our business errand and we're gonna go for a tambay. Uulan na naman. Ay naka, ulan na naman. Ayun, dinala ko ulit kayo sa vlog na walang kakwenta-kwenta. Ay, nako. What a nice touch. After rain, dust. Fucking dust. Ayoko maging rant video to, so let's just escape to the part na tatambay tayo sa Motostrada sa tinatawag nilang Rev Coffee. It's finally open. Magkakaroon na ng tambayan place ang sorry, medyo bad trip. Service po. Actually hindi ako magpapa-service, pero pa-service na natin. Ano po? Pa-service po. Change oil ulit. Okay. Nabutan ako ulan. Ay nako, papaservice na rin ako, sir. Kailangan ko lang ng Sige sir, thank you. Sige sir, thank you. Sige sir. Susunod ulit. Thank you po. Yun, bagong change oil. Nakapag-change oil na rin tayo. Ay, pauwi na ulit tayo. Nakapag-change oil ka na, may kape ka pa. Thank you po. Thank you sa free coffee. Actually, dapat talaga babayaran ko yun, kaya lang compliments nila. So, yeah. Thank you po. talaga gumanda yung panahon. So guys, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. See ya!